I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to learn how to build the e-learning funnel. Before you start building this funnel, you need to make sure you've already created your e-learning courses and they're ready to go so you can add them to this funnel. So why would we use an e-learning funnel? Well, this funnel is designed to market your school and your courses. The customer can see your school and they can choose a course that they want to purchase and access through the e-learning platform. So who can use this e-learning funnel? Well, coaches and consultants can use it, affiliate marketers, salespeople, offline business owners, and even business-to-business owners, because this funnel allows you to promote your school and sell your courses to your customers. It also allows you to sell multiple courses by setting up multiple sales pages and checkouts. So what does an e-learning funnel look like? Well, this is a typical first page that talks about your school or yourself, and it kind of gets them ready to expose them to your school and your different courses. So let's talk about how we add this from Canvas. The first thing you need to do is go to Canvas and click Add Funnel. Then there'll be a pop-up. In that pop-up, you can enter the funnel title and the funnel description, and then click Next. Then you'll be presented with several templates, and you're going to choose the e-learning funnel template, and then click Create. And now let's take a look at the e-learning funnel inside of Canvas. I'm on the Canvas dashboard and I'm in the e-learning funnel. So let's take a look at how the customer would go through the entire funnel. So the first thing is they land on the home page, and that home page might be information about you, about your products, about your services, or it might be a pre-sales page for the school. Once they take a look at it and they decide they want to check out your school, they can go to the school page. When they hit the school page, that's going to have information about all of the courses that you offer. And remember, you have to configure these buttons so they go to the right place. So for each school page, you're going to have at least 3 buttons configured. And remember that these are buttons you're going to have to configure yourself because Canvas cannot create them. The first button is if they want to get more information, and that button will send them to the course sales page. The second button will be, are they an existing student? And if they are, it should send them to the appropriate course page. The third button is if they're a new customer, they can click the button and go to the course sales page. If they're new, or if they want to find out more information, they'll end up on the course sales page for either course number 1 or course number 2. And then if they decide to purchase, they'll go through the checkout process. And in the checkout process, they'll be directed to the correct thank you page, so then they can go to their course content. Now remember, the first time they go through and purchase, they'll go through the sales page, through the checkout, to the thank you page, to the course content. The second time they come in to look at their course, they're going to end up on the school page. And from the school page, they'll locate their course, say that they are an existing student, and then they'll actually click the button to access their course page. So the school page is probably one of the most important pages to make sure that the student is going in the right direction, whether they want more information about the course, whether they are a new customer and they want to purchase the course, or if they're an existing student and they want to access their course. So now let's take a look at what we need to do to configure this entire funnel. So the home page is already connected to the school page. The school page is already connected to all of the course pages. So the first thing we need to configure is checkout number 1, which is for course number 1. So I'm going to right click and go to Edit Element. And here I need to make sure I have the course title, the price of the course, and then the success page, which is already configured for you. That success page is this first thank you page. So everything's configured. Then I'm going to go to the second checkout. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to Edit Element, and I'm going to make sure I put the title in, the price in, and the success page is this thank you here, which will lead you to course 2 content. Now remember, for course 1 and course 2, these are content pages that are going to be empty when you create the website. So you're going to have to go into the e-learning app and get the URL for the course, and then add that into each of these pages as an iframe. So those are both of those course pages. They are empty when we create the website, and you'll have to go to the e-learning platform to get the link to the courses and add that to these pages in iframe so that they can access the course content. There's no need to add the course content pages into a membership area because they can go on a regular page as an iframe, And then the e-learning platform has a login system for the customer to be able to log in. So now that everything is configured for this funnel, the next thing I do is click Save and then OK. And now I'm ready to create my website. So I'm going to click the Create the Website button. And I need to name it. And then I'm going to click Create. In the background, it's creating all of these pages and the connections so that your funnel is built and ready to go. And now that I've got my success message, I've got two options. The first one is to click OK and stay in Canvas, or the second one is access the website, and that sends me to the pixel perfect website inside of the e-learning funnel where I can start working on content and design. That's how you use Canvas to create an e-learning funnel inside of Builderall.